Class 10 students, today I'll start new chapter geometric progression. Chapter 11a geometric progression from from Concise Mathematics, Shelina Publisher. So, first we have to know what is GP. GP means geometric progression. Actually, it is a series where the terms are in this way: ar square, ar cube, dot. That means it has a first term a and common ratio r. So every consecutive term, the second term you are getting multiplying r with a, that is ar. Third one you will get again multiply ar, you will get third term. Again multiply r with ar square, you will get fourth term. Again multiply r with this term, you will get fifth term. Like this it is going on. This fixed object is called r and first term is a. So nth term is a into r to the power n minus 1. That is second term denoted by T2, denoted by a into r to the power 2 minus 1. Third term T3 is equal to a into r to the power 3 minus 1. Fourth term T4 is equal to a into r to the power 4 minus 1. So this is called nth term, and sum of the terms Sn denoted by Sn is equal to n into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1, and n into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r if r is less than 1. This is the things what we need to understand in case of geometric progression. So what I told, geometric progression is a series like this: ar square, ar cube, dot, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio, and nth term formula Tn is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1, and sum of n terms Sn equal to n into r to the power n minus r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1, and n into 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r if r is less than 1. This is the things required for geometric progression. One thing I forgot, since you see this video, you should subscribe this channel. Next, see GP, the same thing I have written here what was in the first page. These are the sums I am going to solve. You know, this is Concise Mathematics, exercise 11a. See first sum. Find which of the following sequence form a GP. First term a, second term 24, third term 72, fourth term 216. Now common ratio how to get? If you divide second by first, so 24 by 8. 3 8 is 24. So common ratio is 3. R equal to second by first. I can do R equal to third by second. So third is 72 by second is 24. Divide, you are getting 3. Again R equal to fourth by 3, that is 216 by 72. That is also 3. So this is forming a GP because common ratio we are getting same. Similarly we can do other. Now let us do sum number 2. See here 1 4 16. Find the ninth term of the series. So a is first term 1. Common ratio formula second by first, that is 4 by 1 equal to 4. We have to find ninth term, that is T9. What is formula of T9? A into r to the power 9 minus 1, that is n minus 1. So it is 8. So 4 to the power 8 is the answer. Then sum number 3, find the 7th term of the GP. So first term A equal to 1, second r equal to second by first, that is root 3 by 1 equal to root over 3. 7th term formula A into r to the power 7 minus 1, A value put 1, r value root over 3, 7 minus 1, that is 6. 3 means, root 3 means 3 to the power half into 6. So you cut 2, 3 are 6. So 3 to the power 3, 27 answer. Find the 7th term of the GP. First term A equal to 1, r second by first, that is root 3 by 1, that is root over 3. 7th term T7, A into r to the power 7 minus 1, that is 6. If you take square into 3, that is 6. Root square cancel, 3 to the power 3, that is 27. 8th term of the sequence. So this is A, r equal to second by first, that is done here, 2. 8th term T8, A into r to the power 8 minus 1. Value of r you put here, A here, then do calculation, this is the answer. 10th term of the GP you have to find. A is this, r equal to second by first. So this is the answer. 10th term A into r to the power 10 minus 1, that is 9. Value of r you put, for 12 means 3 into 4. So 1 power will subtract here 8. This is the answer. Nth term of the series. This first term A, second r equal to second by first, second term, that is 2 by 1, that is 2. Nth term A into r to the power n minus 1. A value 1, r value 2, 2 to the power n minus 1. So this is the answer. Find next 3 terms of the sequence. That means first, second, third. I have to calculate 4th, 5th, 6th. See T4, T5, T6. How to get first term A, second r equal to second by first. So this by this. Now 4th term A into r to the power 4 minus 1. A value is this, r value is this, to the power 3. So it is coming 25. Similarly, 4th term A into r to the 5th term A into r to the power 5 minus 1. 6th term A into r to the power 6 minus 1. So these 3 terms we have got. That's all for this video.